is up, guys? Mikey here from GreyHat Productions, coming to you with another series. I'm going to be calling this GreyHatGarage. So I'm still going to keep it under the GreyHat Productions YouTube channel, but the videos will be labeled and folder different under GreyHatGarage. I did finish the mini ITX gaming system that some of you probably know about. I just haven't finished the videos for that yet. I've been moving around again, but we finally moved into a house. I have garage space and stuff now, so I will definitely get those finished, and there will be more tech videos coming on that for sure. But I'm gonna start moving my main focus towards car stuff. As some of you guys might know, it's actually my main passion. I love cars. This is my 2006 Mazdaspeed 6 sitting right behind me. I'll tell you guys about that in just a sec. But so I kind of decided to do this because, like I said, I love doing car stuff, and I finally have garage space. So I really just want to start taking you guys along for the ride and showing you what I do, because I'm out here working on the car all the time. I might as well record it and let you guys watch. Anyway, so let me show you the car a bit, and then we'll talk about it a little bit more. Alright, so there's the engine bay. It's all torn apart. Intake manifolds off, valve covers off, intake and everything's off. I'm really just trying to kind of clean it up, get it kind of, I guess, show ready. Really just cleaning up the engine bay, changing up the color scheme and stuff. For those of you that might not know, it's a 2006 Mazdaspeed 6 that I'm working on right now. This has been my car, my main daily, for about 2.5 years. It's got a built block that is a 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Stock turbo back there. I plan on picking up a drift car and starting to get into the drift scene, and would love to take you guys along on that. But as for right now, we're just working on the Speed 6. Eventually, I would like to go big turbo, probably a Precision 5858 or something like that, and meth injection. So if you guys are interested in seeing any of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on all the latest videos. Working on getting the valve cover cleaned up right now and the intake manifold. I will be separating the headlights and replacing the lenses, repainting my intake, just intercooler piping, going over all that stuff. So lots of content in the works. Alrighty, so like I said, I will definitely get around to the tech videos, since I know most of the guys that are on the channel right now are probably more into the computer stuff. But I would like to kind of broaden the fan base, because, well, cars, like I said, cars are my main passion, and, I want to show you guys what I love to do. So, anyways, I'm going to do kind of a time lapse of getting that valve cover cleaned up, just to kind of make the video a full video, and we'll see how it goes. I hope you guys like it. So we're going to start on this. One thing I'd like to mention is, if you guys have any questions about, I guess, my reasoning or anything about the GreyHatGarage videos that I'm going to start posting, go ahead and drop a comment below. I'll read all the comments and reply to them as best I can. So if you have any questions about why I decided to go do video or car videos instead of finishing up my tech videos right now, feel free to ask. Also, I don't have a tripod right now. I had a little handheld tripod with the flex legs and stuff, but the adapter for the camera broke, so I no longer have that. So I'm just going to be setting the camera down flat and hope that I can get decent angles. But let's get started on cleaning this thing up. Oh, also, for some reason my camera has a 30-minute shutoff for video. So if I record over 30 minutes and there's random missing footage when I compile the videos back together, that would be the reason, most likely. I'm going to try and work around that by essentially trying to stop recording and restart before the 30-minute shutoff, but I'm not going to catch it every time, I'm sure. So anyways, let's jump into this. So things are going pretty good. I'm going to have to keep switching wire brushes. I got a few different sizes here, pretty big ones, small ones. I should be able to get most of the cracks and stuff using this wheel. I'm not sure what it's called, crusty sponge wheel. I was able to get most of the big surface areas. It takes it off the fastest, but I'm going to start using the wire wheel to start getting the creases and stuff and all the smaller areas. I may have to take some paint stripper to it in the end to really get all the deep spots and then clean it real good. But as for right now, I'm going to try and take off as much as I can with the wire wheels, using some of these ones to really get in there. Anyways, I'm going to get back to going at it. I'm nasty. Alright guys, I'm going to clarify a few more things, answer maybe a few more questions you guys might have before I wrap this up. This was kind of just a starter video, introducing essentially the garage side of Grey Hat Productions. And I don't want to make this whole video just me wire wheeling at my valve cover the whole time. I'm going to try and keep things interesting as best I can. Got lots of things to do. So to get started, essentially what I'm doing here is mostly cleaning up the engine bay. I've always wanted to kind of make it like show worthy. I'm not going to go too crazy on it, but changing up some paint colors. You guys probably haven't seen this, but this color ended up just looking like rust. It was supposed to be a red with a black spackle on it. But it ended up just kind of looking like rust. So yeah, I'm changing up the color. Gonna go with like a gloss or candy apple red with a black base coat. Hopefully darken it up so it'll look kind of black with the red to it. And then, like I said, I'm probably going to be building a battery tray for here because a full-size battery doesn't really fit with that 3.5 inch intake I have. Reroute some stuff, just really clean it up. Alright, so on that, I'm going to wrap this video up. Camera's giving me issues, so we're just going to finish this up on my phone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Ended it kind of short, just going to make this video kind of going over what I'm doing, introducing the garage side of the Grey Hat Productions YouTube channel. And this was just kind of a start. I just threw the clips of the cleaning up the valve cover in there.
just to kind of, I guess essentially make the video something watchable. It turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with it so far. Still got a lot to do. We've got to get a lot of the creases and stuff, and down there's going to be kind of a pain. But it's coming along nice. I also got to clean up my intake manifold, but we'll worry about that later. I'm going to have to do something different, maybe paint stripper for the whole thing, that or just scuff and paint over the paint that's already there. I really decided to clean this one up, all the paint off of it, mostly because there was a lot of chipping out of it and I didn't know how to fill those. You'd see it under the next coat of paint. So anyways, there's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got a lot more things to do. Got a list of things to do on the car for now, just to get the bay cleaned up mostly. And then I do currently have the car posted for sale, kind of. I'm working on it and driving it like it's my car, but if somebody offers me cash, then I'm going to take it. That'll just mean we get to drift vehicle sooner. But if nobody buys it, we might take and replace the stock turbo with something bigger, thinking maybe a Precision 5858 and meth injection or port injection. So if you guys are interested in seeing any of that, come back for the next video. Anyways, that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. You guys have a great day.